What's up, guys? Welcome back. So this is going to be a short video covering an HP Pavilion mousepad. It doesn't want to respond whenever you maneuver within your laptop operating system. So this is a fresh install of Windows 10. I have updated this 100%. There is a couple more updates that is running, as you can see on the bottom right-hand corner here. But for the most part, this issue is driver related. So this computer belongs to one of my friends. He factory reset it, and he started seeing this issue immediately before he was able to sell it. So he brought it to me. So anytime you see anything like this, the first things I generally do is go into the safe mode to see if it is driver related. The easiest way to do that is just by restarting your computer and hold down the shift key and then click on restart. I will put up a little guide at the end of this video for those of you who need to go into safe mode if your mouse isn't able to maneuver enough to get this process done that we're about to do right now. So if you can maneuver your mouse, even if it's just a little bit, I know it's kind of a pain. It is for me right here trying to maneuver. The easiest way to fix this, we're going to go over to the bottom left-hand corner Windows icon, click on it, type in device. As soon as you type in device manager, it'll start populating after like the word device. So we'll go ahead and give it a second. Running a little bit slower than usual. So let's do this again, device. Okay, it should be highlighted. If it's not, just go over to it and scroll over to it if you can. Click on enter if you like, and this will get you into device manager. So once you're here, you're going to want to go to where it says display adapters and click on this little flag right here, this little arrow. This is going to be the driver that's causing your issues right here, this AMD HD 8400. This may work for other model computers. Again, this is an HP Pavilion. So if you guys have the same driver, go ahead and disable it and see if it fixes your issue. So all you got to do is right click on disable, and then confirm yes. So now my mouse isn't working very well. Click yes. If your screen goes black just like that, that's totally normal. And as soon as that thing gets disabled, as you can see right here, my mouse is responding exactly how it's supposed to, right? So you can go ahead and just right click on it if you want to. You can do whatever you like because that's the way it's supposed to respond, okay? So again, you can go into your safe mode. It will only initialize the drivers, basically the basic drivers that it needs for the computer to function, and you can disable it that way if it's easier. But if you can maneuver your mouse even just a little bit to get to that menu, then that's how you would do it. So again, we'll go over to this little icon, click here, type in device, and you're gonna want to click there. Go down to your display adapters, and if it's closed, just open it up. Click on it, right click, and we're going to go ahead and enable this again. So once it is about it, don't freak out. And as you can see now, my mouse just kind of freezes up, which could be a pain if you're trying to work. Now, I did try to use one of these little external mouses with the USB, and it did the exact same thing because it is driver related to this little display driver right here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off one more time and leave it off because I do not want those issues. So if I can get on there, come on, there you go. And then confirm by clicking on yes. Come on. See, this is why you might want to go into the safe mode, you guys, if you guys are having issues or you're frustrated with it. Once you click on yes, your issue will be resolved. Now, I don't know why the Windows 10 and that driver don't play nice, but for whatever reason, it is wigging it out. And I'm going to show you guys that I am running on Windows 10 with the latest version of, I believe it's H2 22 or 22H2. There's your version right there. I do have a couple of updates running right here in the background. I need to update and restart. I did download the actual driver from the HP website. That did not help. So like I said, my friend factory restored it. I did a clean install. It did work at the beginning, but after a couple of updates, it started wigging it out again. So I figured I'd go ahead and go into the safe mode, disable that driver originally, and now I'm just showing you guys how to do it on the actual operating system. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you guys need help. And again, try on different models, help each other out, man. If it worked on a Dell and you have the same driver issues, or it might be a different driver, leave it in the comments, man. You will help somebody out eventually when they see that. So thanks again for watching, guys. Leave a comment, like I said, and I will hit you guys back in the next one. Thanks.